Hi everyone, welcome to day one of the course. I thought I would create a video to help you get started on your first assignment. So if we scroll down, we're going to see the first day, and there is a link for assignment one and a link for the class lounge discussion, which is a little post that you're going to write about yourself. But let's click into assignment one. Okay, great. So once you click in here, you're going to see a setup that looks like this for most of the readings and assignments. You're going to see learning goals, success criteria, and content for that subject. So in this case, assignment one deals with Vimy Ridge. You're going to see a few videos, and you're going to see an area where you do have to read information about Vimy Ridge. If we scroll down to the bottom, you're then going to see the assignment. For this assignment, you're going to be creating a 1:30-second video on Vimy Ridge using Flipgrid. You're going to talk about some of the German tactics, Curry's battle plan and secret weapon, why France never forgot about Vimy, and why Vimy Ridge is considered to be a defining moment in Canadian history. So to access the Flipgrid, you're going to click on this link here. Now, before doing this, I want to show you a little tip that will help you throughout the course, and that is duplicating a page. And I use this all the time. So if I click up here and I right-click on this tab, I can actually duplicate it. And that way, when I click into the assignment, I can actually have one tab that has the information for the assignment, and then the other tab can be where I'm going to be completing the assignment. So you'll see what I mean in a second. If you click in down here, you then have to actually scroll up to access the Flipgrid for this assignment. So if I scroll up, I'm going to see the first assignment. And why we duplicated a page was, on this page, you're just going to see Flipgrid. But if you go back here, you can look at what I'm asking you to do at the same time instead of going back and forth. So that will help you save some time. So Flipgrid, how does it work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to actually come to this section, and you're going to click on this plus symbol here. Now here you're going to actually see a picture of yourself, and this is where you're actually going to be recording a video for this assignment. So you're going to be telling me about Vimy Ridge and going over a few points. And if you look at the assignment criteria, you're going to see what I mean. Once you are ready to create your video, you're going to click record. It's going to give you a couple seconds. And now here's where you create your video about Vimy Ridge. When you're done, you're going to click pause, and you're going to click next. And now here's where you create. And that's where it's going to give you a preview of the video. So if you don't like it, you can go back and do it again. Next part is doing an actual picture that's going to be sort of the label that other students are going to see for your video. So let's take a picture. There we go. I look pretty funny in that picture. Then you're going to click next. You're going to click a name for your video, and please put your first and last name. You're going to click submit my video, close. And I already submitted one earlier just as a test, but you're going to see your video show up here. So once your video is there, here's the most important part. You have to get the link to the video in your Dropbox. So you're going to click on your video. It's going to start playing. And now here's where you create. And then you're going to actually click the share button right here. You're going to copy this link, Control C, and then you're going to go back to your Dropbox area. And from here, you're going to paste that link into the assignment one Dropbox. You're going to see the rubric for the assignment. And then at the bottom, you're going to see the comment section. That is where you're going to copy and paste your Flipgrid link so I can view it and mark it. And here's another important point. You can't actually submit this as is. The file will not actually submit unless there is something attached. So for this assignment, you're just actually going to create a blank doc and submit that. Now I've already done that, so we're going to add that file. And I've saved it to my desktop. It's just a Microsoft Word doc that is blank. You're going to find that doc. Then you're going to add it. And then you're going to see the doc there, and then you're going to click submit. And then you're going to see files submission successful. That means everything worked. You're going to click done. And then you're going to see your assignment submitted in the Dropbox. And you're all set, ready to go, ready to move on in the course.